Wake the town and tell the people. Yard style family. Are you ready?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Pleasant morning, my viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to the channel. It is a beautiful day today and we are blessed with the opportunity of life. A lot of people spend most of their times thinking about the negative things that are happening in their life, but take this opportunity to start thinking about some of the positive things that are happening in your life and see the big difference it makes. Now, the video that I'll be doing today, or the clips that I'll be showing you today, has a lot to do with how someone value their life, their time, the people that are around them. Unity is strength, and with help, you get to cover a lot more things in a short period of time. Now, today, the clips that I'll be showing you are some previous clips of me and some other YouTubers linking up, and we had a great day, and the energy was right, and it goes to show that you alone can't do everything. Positive vibes, positive people around you brings forth positive reactions and positive achievements. So we went out spearfishing. What happened? I actually had a memory chip in my camera that I got the underwater footage, and the chip was full, so I had to replace it with another one to do the last half of the video. Unfortunately, I lost that memory card with the underwater footage and all of that, so I only have the memory card with the part that we did while we were on land. So I link up with a couple of the guys that we went diving with, that are in this video that you'll be seeing right now, and some of them sent me some clips, so I am now able to put something together so you guys can see. And the main aim of me like pushing to put this video out there is because I want you all to see what unity does and positiveness does. Alright, so I'm going to roll these clips and show you what took place. Alright, yeah, man.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Yeah, people see fire catcher now, you know. Go and burn out. Danny grill, let me grill, go and burn off the germs off of it. You know it go already. So, see there? A little lobster swing. I'll show it over here, say, you know. See me, you know. Nobody know how it go when it come out to this, you know. Yeah, man. I'll get them on the fire. Don't know.
Better than one, eh?
Yes. Yeah, not your average yardie season up the fish them. Don't know.
I feel that.
Yeah, people. They're on the beach front, them boy are going to roast up some fish. Go over here, so which part of the river there. We'll see what I go on. Don't know the river want to wash out and thing. A lot of grass and all them kind of thing there in there. The water look mucky. That I go on to the river.
That good again some more.
And belly your boss.
And if you put it nowhere.
Your boss you already.
What's up on it?
Jellyfish.
Yes, people see it there though. Well on the fire. Lobster, you know.
Everybody at the funny grill there now. Yeah, man. Proper way, so also just go on with our vibes, you know. So, first part place for now, yeah, but you know, I can't fish it.
The chunk fish.
Very thin.
I got some play chum fish, you know.
See it there, you know?
Never taste it before.
Never it.
Chunky.
Chunky.
Finish up on one video now, cook some rice.
Nice man.
You want a piece too?
Me eat already, because I also me eat it.
Tastes good, man.
Yeah, so I say nice. I'm say I shoot one and try. I can't want a body friend with bread.
Wildlife, you want some?
It's well bad man, but
I like it when you got off the cooking night.
Oh, yeah, that
like
like
when
that
you
chunky
cook
flavour. That eat the
Yeah,
flavour.
if you left a gut in and take out the gut.
But yeah, the already
nice
take out
bread,
most
but it's
already.
calm.
So.
Nice
Come
man,
here,
Maggie.
fish them,
Money make it nice.
and chumfish or something.
Yeah, man.
Nice, man.
They are again.
That's cover.
Wildlife, they are here.
Yeah, man, boss, I do a thing, man. Nice, bad too, but I like when you got the roast knife.
Yeah, you eat a different.
Do one kind of
Real life,
Where's
wildlife.
that?
Yeah, brother. Nice. Y'all don't know one of my favorite fish this week.
It become one of my favorite now to my
Chunk fish.
Nice, bad.
I can't shoot no for that time. I just think it's hard.
People. Don't know. So you hear that? Man, them said the chunk fish nice. So I know me alone I get approval now, say it's nice for real.
Become one of my favorite now.
Alright. Yeah, this is one of my favorite. NASA links, lovely. Wildlife. Say it bad to see them here. So this is no lie me I tell.
Where? You can take up sitting now. Go and fish out.
Alright, my viewers and subscribers, come to the end of the day. You don't know, finish the cook up and all of that. We are going to head on home right now. Yeah, man, it was a beautiful day today. We didn't catch much fish, but we still hold a vibe. As you can see, a lot of YouTubers passed through today. We have like Crazy Spearfishing, NASA Links, Not Your Average Yardie, KENARDO Lifestyle, Anthony Spearfishing, and as you can see in the last year, we have Jamaica Wildlife pass through and come give you a link. Same way? Yeah, man. So you don't know, the unity we have preach people, and I love Wagwan. YouTubers them are show unity and all of that. So drop a thumbs up if you like that. Alright? Yeah, man. And always remember to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Alright? Yeah, man. Let's get this channel growing right now. It is growing. We could just do the right thing, get the subscription counts going up and all of that. Alright? Guys, so peace out on this one. See you on the next one. Alright? Yeah, man.